Today, I want to open the door and invite you into the amazing world of AI app builders. AI that builds apps for us. And I'm doing that not because I think that we should all start building apps. I don't think that at all. I'm doing that because I want you to know what's possible. I want you to have awareness of what's going on. I want you to have that wow moment of, wow, I built an app and it works. And I'm doing that because I want you to understand what people are offering you when they're offering you to sell you an app or to develop something for you. I want you to understand what tools they have so that you know what's going on. Let's go. This one is called Lovable, and I haven't done anything other than create an account. No magic. And I'm going to say create an individual tax calculator for 2025-2026 in Australia and New Zealand. The user will enter the annual income. The calculator will show the amount in each tax bracket, the relevant tax, the total tax, the pay-as-you-go for weekly, fortnightly, and monthly payment options, showing Australia and New Zealand amounts side by side. Let's see what happens. So it starts thinking. And it says, I'll create a professional tax calculator for Australia and New Zealand with side-by-side comparison. Let me start by researching the current tax brackets and then build a clean, trustworthy interface. So I didn't tell it what the tax brackets are. I didn't tell it any of the logic. It does its own research and it will come back to me with, hopefully, the right results. All right, it says, perfect. I created a comprehensive tax calculator for Australia and New Zealand. It called it here the Oz and Z Tax Buddy. Let's see, professional design, key features, tax brackets implemented, tax calculator provides this, what's next? Let's put in an amount. Let's try this and see what we get. Very quickly, it calculated the tax brackets for Australia, the tax brackets for New Zealand, income tax, Medicare levy at 2%, ACC levy at 1.39%. And the bottom line, very similar, very close. Effective tax rate, 27.9, 28.6. Weekly, fortnightly, monthly. Pretty good. Now I can ask for changes. I can say, make the user interface purple or show it one under the other instead of one next to the other. And I can ask to add explanations or to export a PDF or to add buttons that will do other things. Whatever it is that I need, I can iterate until it becomes the app that I want. Now this platform is called Lovable, and now that I've finished, this tax calculator will live inside my Lovable account, and I can come here whenever I want to use it. I can also connect a database so that it can save my results, store them between sessions. I can further publish it to the world so other people can use my amazing tax calculator comparing Australia and New Zealand, which of course I would go now and check that it did it correctly. And maybe I want to add functionality around handling deductions or getting the relevant legislation references, whatever I might need. The most popular tools that I see for building apps with AI right now, there are many of them. The ones that I see the most are Lovable that we just looked at. Base 44 is also very popular, and Replit, up we go. Replit is super popular as well. They also have integrations. So if I go here, we'll see that I can connect different AI models like OpenAI, Anthropic, or Perplexity. I can connect Stripe or PayPal to take payments with my app. I can connect Slack to send messages with my app or to monitor messages. I can connect Airtable for data. I can connect Google Analytics and different other things. What do I think you should do with this next? Well, I think you should go and have a play. I do not think that you should now build apps and publish them to the world and take money for them right away. And if you do, you need to consider things like security, where your data is saved, how it's saved, how you're publishing it, how you're monitoring it. There's a lot of things to think about with an app. Also, testing it to make sure it actually does what it needs to do in all different scenarios. So there's a lot around building an app. But just for small utilities for yourself, I don't see a reason why not. I do think that you should go and have a play, even if you're going to create something you'll never use again, because you have that experience of, I did it. It's possible. I understand what it is. There's less mystery. And when people come and offer you apps and you're thinking of paying for developers to do work from now on, you understand what options they have and what tools they're using. And so you're a smarter buyer. Let us all know what you built. I'd love to hear. I'm sure everybody else would love to hear. Make a screenshot, make a video, post it on LinkedIn, mention me. I'll come and comment and let you know that you're doing amazing with the amazing superpower out there. Because you are, because the technology is there, but the power is only available to those of us who pick it up and use it. So use it. Do it.